The hunt for Planet B follows scientists as they build and plan for the launch of NASA's Webb telescope, the most powerful and complex space telescope. Watch the film on CNN on Saturday, November 20 at 9 p.m. at CNN. It's a moment that has been decades in the making. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's premier observatory of the next decade, is scheduled for December 18 from French Guiana. The telescope has endured years of delays, including a combination of factors brought on by the pandemic and technical challenges. But the world's most powerful complex space observatory will answer questions about our solar system, study exoplanets in new ways, and look deeper into the universe than we've ever been able to. Webb will peer into the very atmospheres of exoplanets, some of which are potentially habitable, and could uncover clues in the ongoing search for life outside of Earth. The telescope comes equipped with a mirror that can extend 21 feet and 4 inches, 6.5 meters, a massive length that will allow the mirror to collect more light from the objects it observes once the telescope is in space. The more light the mirror can collect, the more details the telescope can observe. The mirror includes 18 hexagonal gold-coated segments, each 4.3 feet, 1.32 meters in diameter. It's the largest mirror NASA has ever built, the agency said, but its size created a unique problem. The mirror was so large that it couldn't fit inside a rocket. So they designed the telescope as a series of moving parts that can fold origami-style and fit inside a 16-foot, 5-meter space for launch. Each space telescope builds on the knowledge gained from the previous one. In the case of Webb, its mirror is nearly 60 times larger than previous space telescopes. Webb will act as an infrared detective, detecting light that is invisible to us and revealing otherwise hidden regions of space, according to NASA. The concept for the telescope was first imagined as a successor to Hubble at a workshop in 1989, and construction on Webb first began in 2004. Since then, thousands of scientists, technicians, and engineers from 14 countries have spent 40 million hours building the telescope. Now, Webb is ready to help us understand the origins of the universe and begin to answer key questions about our existence, such as where we came from and if we're alone in the cosmos. What Webb will see. The Webb telescope will look at every phase of cosmic history, including the first glows after the Big Bang that created our universe and the formation of the galaxies, stars, and planets that fill it today. Its capabilities will enable the observatory to answer questions about our own solar system and investigate faint signals from the first galaxies formed 13.5 billion years ago. The science goals for Webb are ambitious, and scientists around the world will use their allotted time using the telescope to observe and analyze a broad spectrum of planets, black holes, galaxies, stars, and the structure of the universe itself. A key focus is planet formation and evolution, both in our solar system as well as the large population of planets outside of it. Of particular interest are planets located within the habitable zone of stars, an orbital region where a planet is the right temperature to support liquid water on its surface, which suggests it could potentially support life as we know it.